Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude type of problems that is under profit and loss we are going to deal in this video. So before going in detail about this profit and loss, I would like to tell about our platform that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming to this profit and loss, here we have only two formulas to remember. So I just want to tell you, but I'll tell you how to solve the problems without the formula too. So first, actually, when coming to the profit and loss, see, either we gain or we loss, right? So gaining and losing, it comes under like we'll buy it like cost price and selling price. So let us consider cost price as CP and selling price as SP. So coming to the profit, when the profit comes when we sell the item more than the cost price what we have got it. So for example, if we buy a 20 rupees pen and you sell it for 22, then what is the profit? 2 rupees is of profit. How you got? The selling price minus cost price. That is how like this it will come. So here coming to the, mostly in the problems they'll not ask you profit, they'll ask you profit percentage. So how to deal with the profit percentage? Nothing but profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. So selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. This is how the profit percentage will be dealing with. So coming to the loss is nothing but see, when you have buy a 20 rupees pen and sell for 18 rupees, then the loss is 2%. How? The cost price minus selling price. So when the selling price is less than cost price, then there is a loss. When the selling price is more than cost price, then it is a profit. Simple way to remember. So what is the loss percentage? As usual, like profit percentage, loss by CP into 100. So what is the loss? CP minus SP by CP into 100. This is how you'll solve the problems of the formula of loss and profit. And coming to the formulas, problems, a person purchased an article for rupees 80 and sold it for 100. What is the profit percentage? See, a simple problem first to solve it. See, what with formula, let us solve in two different, like with formula and without formula. With formula, how you'll solve? How much the cost price is 80, right? So he purchased it and he sold it for 100 rupees, that is selling price is 100. So as the formula based, profit percentage equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So what is the selling price? 100 and cost price is 80. So just substitute that in this formula. Then how much you get? 100 minus 80 by 80 into 100, that is 20 by 80 into 100, that is nothing but 25%. What is this percentage? It is 25%. This is how you'll solve through formula, but without formula I'll just tell you how it. Just consider the cost price as 100%. Okay, that is 100%. So for 80 rupees the percentage is 100. Okay, just consider it as. So for 100 rupees, how much percentage, how much profit he got? So at that time what you have to do is just 80 rupees is 100%, 100 rupees is we have to find out, question mark, just crisscross multiply 100 into 100 by 80, it is nothing but 125. So what is that? It is 125%. What is the difference? It is 25%. At what is this difference? 20 rupees. So the profit he got is 25% and the amount he got is 20 rupees. This is how you will solve it. Just consider the cost price is totally 100% and then you can solve this. So this will get by doing a number of problems and practice. So here is other problem. A person got 5% loss by selling an article for rupees 1045. At what price should the article be sold to earn 5% profit? What is this? He had an article, okay, so that he sold it for 1045 rupees, but he got 5% loss. That means he sold it for low amount. So to get 5% profit, at what percentage he should, at what amount he should sold that article? That is a question. So here just assume 100% as CP, okay. So selling prices, just consider 100%. So what he got, 5% loss, right? 100 minus 5 is 95%. That is how much he sold at 1045. So again, what he asked in the question is to earn 5% profit. That is 100 plus 5 is 105%, right? Because he want to get 5% profit. So 105 how much? Just crisscross multiply 1045 into 105 by 95. It is nothing but double one double five. So for if he sold the same article for 11155 rupees, then he get 5% profit on his article, okay. So and here is other question. A person sold an article at a profit of 12%. If he had sold it rupees 3.60 more, he would have gained 18%. What is the cost price? So we want to find out the cost price. So as before, just do it the problem and give me answer in the comment section. So I'll solve this in the next video and I'll tell you what is the answer. So do it and give it in the comment section, guys. So yesterday there was other problem on mixture and alligations. A and B are two alloys of gold and copper in the ratio of 7:2 and 7:11. If equal quantities are melted to form a third alloy C, find the ratio of gold and copper. So as we know that gold will not be singly melted, so gold will be mixed with some other material and then it will get molded, or else it won't get molded. So like to form like that, they given a percentages, they given a ratio. So just find out the ratio of gold and copper when it is mixed. So what they have given, gold is to copper is 7:2 and 7:11. So just add this 9 and 18, right? Just take an LCM. 9 and 18 is nothing but 9 will get cancelled by 18, so the LCM will be 18. So to get an 18, just you have to multiply 9 with 2 and 18 with 1. So you have to multiply on both the sides. So 14:4 and 7:11. Just add those. So 21:15, right? So this will get cancelled by 7, 3 table, that is 7 and 5. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So to make an alloy C, the gold and copper is 7:5. This is how you will solve this mixture and alligations. So if you have missed the videos of mixture and alligations, then the link is given in the description, so you can go directly into the link and watch the video of mixture and alligations. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.